videotape is to inform you about the newly discovered creature, the Ripper. The Ripper is a tall humanoid creature with red skin and no eyeballs. It emits a faint red glow around it. This creature feeds on small animals and insects, including rabbits, bats, snakes, and lots more. Very little is known about this creature, except that it is also hostile to humans and it will rip off the skin of any animal or human it can find. This creature only comes out at night, and is very dangerous. Keep all your pets in.
Stay inside.
Keep all windows and doors locked, until further notice. Thank you for watching this videotape, and we hope you stay safe and well.